Good morning, guys. What's been happening? Last video you seen this thing fire up. Finally, it's been over a year, and some of you are probably asking or thinking, what exhaust is he running on this damn thing? Well, I happen just to have it out at the moment because I'm cleaning it up, took it off the car. But this is the ARTEC Performance exhaust. It's a 4-inch titanium, full titanium all the way through, with a branch off resonator. It's all V-band, so you've got your rear V-band here, you got midsection V-band, and then your V-band up on your dump. That'll connect to your dump pipe. I got this welded together and ground out because I'm running a 3.5 Powerhouse Racing drive shaft, and it would hit it with the V-band clamp on it, so I just welded it together. One piece, incredibly light, and just sounds wicked. It's a little dirty. I got it off, got it cleaned up, and it's no Shoka style cleanup, but at least it's not oily and greasy. So that's it. 4-inch titanium branch off resonator with a cannon. It's beautiful and sounds mint. Actually, I'll give you a before and after. We'll start this thing up. You can listen how loud it is just off the dump pipe, and then we'll put it on. And I still got to fix that fuel pump. I don't know, that's pretty loud. It's like race car style. Maybe in the future I'll just get like a little mid pipe, a bit like Pedro on his Baltic Supra, just for drags. But for this thing, this 4-inch, quiet for street driving, but when you get up it, you can definitely hear it. We'll throw this on, and then I'll give you another little listen to it. Okay, guys, that's the ARTEC 4-inch titanium performance exhaust all fitted. Now, with the idea of the branch off resonator is the air volume will fill it up, and it'll just be pretty much blocked off by air itself, air pressure, well, exhaust pressure, and the rest of the exhaust will flow through the normal path. As this is blocked off from air pressure, but it's still catching sound resonance, sound noise. So is this one, and so is your cannon. It's quite nice, really, and just how it fits in and around all the curves on a Supra, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It does fit up there nice and tight. And you can see I've had a couple little run-ins with a speed bump, so it is a 4-inch, guys, so pick how low you want to have your car. But we'll fire this thing up and give you a sound. Alright, guys, you ready? You ready? Beautiful. I really can't tell you how problem-free that ARTEC 4-inch titanium exhaust has given me over the years. I've had it for years, I've driven it for years, never had a problem with it. It did have one little crack in it once, but you know, there was nothing. Welded that back up, she's all good. The only big problem I had was having a 3.5-inch drive shaft from Powerhouse Racing. It used to hit just on that center V-band, so weld that together, shaved it down. It was happy days. It was cool as. So if you're interested in an ARTEC Performance exhaust, you'll find them on Facebook. Just type in ARTEC Performance. Ben Praswick will guide you to what you need, and he's also got the adapters for you guys that just want to run the 4-inch straight off your twin turbos, off the whole turbo system. So he's got the nice adapter, he's got the whole nice exhaust, so hit him up and you'll find him on Facebook, or I think he's got his own website now. So, and I hear he just made a new turbo exhaust manifold. Should check that one out too. Looks pretty cool. Alright guys, it's only be a short one. I'm going to get to fixing up that bloody fuel pump issue, but I'll catch you in the next one. So I'll fix the fuel pump issue where it'll just stay on. My dumbass, if anyone remembers me putting in this relay, dual error, new error relay, it's a dual relay. See, I did everything right, except for one thing. I put an earth. See, this is a signal wire, and so is this one. So positive, negative. Positive went to, yeah, well, positive. Loops over to the second one, and negative goes onto just the center here. I had an extra earth from the center onto an earth. I don't know what for. I think at the time I was thinking that the pump needed an earth, but my silly ass, the pump's already got an earth. So, let me show you what it does. So I've got it for 4 seconds, you'll hear it. And it turns off. Perfect, exactly how I wanted it. But in having this earth on, see if I can do it with one hand, it was actually keeping the relay open, well, closed loop. So if I put that there and earth it, so took that off, happy days. Things you overlook, but that's fixed. Cool as. Happy days, happy days. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Cool. Now I've got to, behind this dash here, I've got to find the fuel gauge wire, signal wire, and plug it into my can expander. So then my dash will be able to read fuel, because I don't have a fuel gauge at the moment. And I've also got to configure the dash and set it up properly, because I haven't done it yet. But later dates.